Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get latest news as it breaks, breaking news, and events happening today.
60th birthday. First, we want to thank God for your life, and to thank God for keeping you well, hale, and healthy for 60 years. We want to thank God for your time in the service of Lagos State, now, and we believe in the future. Your commitment to building our nation and our state. We want to thank God for giving you good health, for giving you a sound mind, and for making it possible for you, for your family, for all of us to see on your 60th birthday. Our prayer is that you will live very, very long. Amen. God will grant you the grace of a long age, Amen, in good health, in a sound mind, Amen, and that even you will still be called upon to come and serve your people, Amen, to come and serve mankind, Amen, humanity. Amen. And God will give you the grace to be able to do that. Amen. You've been a jolly good friend and brother, and we thank God for you, for your life, and for all of us. Amen. And so we want to toast to a fine gentleman, to a Nigerian and to a Lagosian that means so many things to all of us here. To my brother, my friend, my predecessor, Mr. Ambode, on the 60th birthday. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! God bless. God bless. God bless.
Thank you to Your Excellency, Governor Jide Sanwoolu. What you have done today is pleasing to our hearts. We are very pleased. We are happy that this kind of moment has happened at this very moment where I'm marking 60th. I want to show appreciation for all the kind words that you have said to me, and you have actually even expressed in the media. I believe strongly that God will, strengthen your courage and ability to actually deliver greater goods to the larger humanity that you've always wanted to do. This is just what is expected, and I believe strongly that with what you have done today, I know that we are all going to work in a way to ensure that you leave a good legacy.
Amen.
Thank you very much.